Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see you again. This is Paul Wong from Felicitysolar. As a marketing manager, today I'd like to show you the residential solar energy storage for residential households. So as you can see on the right top side, we got the Red Dot Award for that battery, FLB series. So we are not only care about the inner function, outdoor safety, but also we care about the user experience, especially for European market and the American market, because most of the scenarios they install that batteries in the living room, even at home, even back home we can take a look for the battery every single day. So Felicitysolar, the design, better design is not just care about the inner function, but also we care about the aesthetic design. This is one of the most value of the Felicitysolar. So, as you can see, the materials we made by this battery has like the aircraft material. So, as you can see, the shell is very nice. And most of the clients, they make a comment to us. They like this experience. And one of the most important thing is that most of the engineers they care about the installation costs, even our distributors. So this is structure design, we just remove the shell of the battery and replace the fuse easily. That's one of the most important features of the battery. And it's also built in the IP65. Even you can install the battery indoor or outdoor, can fit for the outdoor installation. And interpreted in the 6 features of the batteries, like the fire guard. I'm going to talk about the aerosol fire suppressions and built-in EMS, circuit breakers, trip protection, CCS and fuses. And also built aerosol fire suppression system. It would keep the trust safe to the customer. So let's go through the video and let's see how the aerosol fire suppression system works. So you can see our battery over there. So we want to overcome if you're looking at some of buttons, and you will see our fire protection module. Let's check this out. Oh, it's intense. You see all the smoke coming out of there? The circle right away is already starting. So right now, you see what's happening there. Our fire protection module has done its job and quickly extinguished the fire. That's how it works. So our fire protection module is very safe and efficient. Thanks for watching. The aerosol fire suppression system will work in conditions of the degree, like the temperature reaching the Celsius temperature, like 180 Celsius temperature degree. And extinguish the oxygen so that the fire extinguishing system will burst. So this is one of the optional function we call the thermal module, especially for the markets like the North of Europe market, even like the cold weather there, like the South Africa market. People they choose this function, thermal module, restoring battery to its working temperature. And also it supports maximum 1C rate charging and discharging will be increase efficiency of charging and discharge and feeding the power to the solar system. And also, most of the clients, they care about the lifespan of the battery. So this kind of the battery, which supports 8,000 with depth of discharge, 95% is around 16 years lifespan. And also, it's also built in the CCS technology we call the cells contact system, would be reduce the resistance of the battery and increase the efficiency of the battery. That cells by cells increase the efficiency of the battery, so that will give the high efficiency of the battery running operations. And also it supports 32 pieces in parallel connection to extend the capacity of the solar system. For example, most of the clients, they have no enough budget. At the beginning, they just bought, 2 or 4 batteries and make it together. But in the future, they're going to add more batteries. At that time, they just put in the new battery, even with new battery, so that they can extend the system easily. So they also do it in the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth mode. Just put out your phone anytime, anywhere to check out the photovoltaic data, battery data, even the consumption of the solar system easily. So thank you very much. This is the FLB series. On our left side, there is a demo there, and our specialist standby. You can discuss more details and get more information about FLB series battery. Thank you very much. Thank you.